Hi traders, today is January the 9th. Thanks for joining me for a couple of my trades for today. The one we're looking at right now is my challenge account trade for my Apex 25K evaluation. You'll be able to see I jumped in this trade. I exited for a small profit. I jumped in again for a loss, and then I jumped in the trade again to finish it out. So basically a trade that should have gotten me $250. I ended up only getting $112 because of the jumping in and out action. So just let that be a lesson to you. But all in all, I still got about another $100 towards my challenge account. So the balance is sitting at $800 towards the goal of $1,500. Hi traders. As y'all can see, I just entered this continuation setup. So now I'm just sitting here watching it or trying not to watch it. Try to be patient for this setup. I know I've had some iffy trades that I've been called out on recently. So I really try to be patient for this setup to make sure it's a classic continuation trade. We definitely had a new pivot low, a nice smooth pullback up to the goal line, which is the 9 EMA. We've taken a little bit of heat on this, and hopefully now we're headed down. A couple of times this morning, I did not have any ATM set, so that led to some issues with a few trades. And for whatever reason, I tried to manually set the orders, and I ended up getting 2 contracts. And every time I tried to get out of the trade, I was getting back into the trade. So I'm not sure what happened with that, but it was a disaster. Then I had the wrong ATM set. So hopefully this time I do have the correct ATM set for 20 ticks. Let's see if I'll just check it here with the reward. Yeah, 10 would be here for the stop. And then that would be 20 right there. So let's just see what happens. I also have a ES trade going on right now too. So I actually have 2 trades going on, but I can only record one screen at a time. So I have all the action going on right now. My ES trade is up. Oh, I don't want to jinx myself. It was just up 13 ticks, and now it's coming down 14. And I do not have an ATM set on that, so I just need to manually get out of it. I'll show y'all this ES trade later manually. Okay, I think we're almost at. Okay, I'm just gonna get out of this ES trade. It's at, oh goodness, it's over 20 ticks. I wish I was showing y'all this one. Okay, so I'm out of my ES trade now. So now I can turn my attention back to this crude oil trade, which is still playing around. Come on, crude oil. Oh goodness. Here we go. All right, now this sucks. All right, $10 on a trade that I should have won on. That just sucks. Let's see if I will re-enter here, if it's going to continue to the downside. Doesn't look like it if it came all the way back up there. Yeah, this morning, I just don't feel like we're getting a lot of continuation. Just sucks. That just sucks. But at least I brought my account back into the green, because actually that account was one of the ones that I kind of messed up this morning. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. No, I literally only got 10 ticks on that trade. That was my first trade of the day on this account, and I only got 10 I only got one tick, $10, even though it went all the way down to probably 19 ticks and turned around. So, but technically this trade is still going. The stop would have been way down here. So, you know, I think I am justified to re-enter. So I will. Entry wasn't great, but see what happens. It's like I have a hard head today. This doesn't look good. And why is, okay, my new buy limit is, all right, let me just go to where the original one would have been. The original trade would be. All right, well, I got $90 out of that. I guess I should have left it. I should have left the target where it was, but so that's what I got out of that. So I don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. But all right, guys. And another segment. Well, I don't know. This might be the end for today. I think I've done enough trading. I had let's see, 3 losses on 3 of my other evaluation accounts. I don't even know what happened. Those are the accounts where I didn't have the ATM properly set and end up trying to get out of the trades and end up buying or selling another contract. So it was a disaster. I had another trade where the Ninja Trader froze and I actually had to log out and log back in order to shut the trade down. So I just not had the greatest of mornings. So I am just really thankful that I did get about $112 for the challenge account. So I'm just thankful for that. Other than that, I will just keep chugging along, keep practicing, keep trying to stay focused, especially when it's actually time to stay focused, because this is the time when I get a little rattled or emotional or just I don't stick to the plan. So, but I think I did live to trade another day today.